Now, let me see. You hold it up and I will look.
Oh, Tweety towel.
Now you hold it up.
John, you only have 2 cigarettes?
Yeah.
Chip, I'll take a cigarette.
When you take a shower.
I want to cough a lot. Oh, I'll put that away, Randy. You just get the next box.
Almost done.
Yeah, you just get the next.
Mandy, but then we go back in the bed because I'm tired.
Then go in the bed.
Back in the bed.
Then go in the bed.
Get up. Get going. Get in the shower. Gotta put all this stuff in bed. Gotta put all that stuff in bed.
Mama,
Another one.
You got 2 more days off. Tomorrow and Monday. If you can relax then.
Oh, well.
I hate when I open it all of my stuff.
Tomorrow I'm doing nothing. I'm staying in bed. Otherwise I'll be
Crazy.
dying at work for a week sick.
Tony.
My God.
Can I see that? Oh my God.
Don't take it out.
Why?
'Cause
Look. I'm matching pants.
I know. I'm gonna just open all the gifts. Can you help me open them? If you want to, you could.
I think you have a lot of new clothes for school. And who knows what Santa Claus brought you to Mommy's house.
I don't know.
Aren't you excited though?
Yes,
You get to go 2 places with Santa Claus comes.
Hello.
He had to tape it because it wouldn't shut. Oh, cool!
How cute.
What is it? What is it?
It's a pillow.
Oh, man. What kind? Tweety?
Is your bedroom Tweety?
Yeah.
He must have knew.
Because he's seen my room.
No. You must came in the room when he sleep.
Let me see who this from. Santa or not?
Who's that one?
Doesn't have no name.
No, it's yours.
It doesn't have no name. And it's heavy. Ow, ow.
That's a big one.
What is it?
That's where you put your books. On your shelf, and you put Tweety and Sylvester next to it. See, that's what it is inside the box. One of these and one of these. They're like statues, and you put your books in the middle, and you put those on the end so that your books don't fall.
These are mine.
That one's yours.
And then I need to open this large one, right? That's called large, right? Huh?
Yeah.
has the book?
Yep,
Where's the book then?
back there.
Which one it is this?
Read and play, Tommy. That's the one you wanted, right?
Now I need to open this large one.
Hold on. Oh no. Hold on. First you gotta open those. Wait, Mandy. Wait.
What I need?
Go behind there and pull the sock out. Yeah, grab it and pull it. Oop, one of the things just fell out. Come on. Okay. Oh, two things fell out.
Hey.
How does he know that you like Tweety so much? Because he can hear you talking about Tweety, Tweety, Tweety. What is that, candy?
Yes, it's candy.
Turn around and face Daddy so he can see you.
Let me see.
No. I mean, turn
I'm
around
not
this
taking
way.
picture.
Take all the stuff out of there. Are there more things inside there?
One lollipop is stuck.
What is it?
A Pokemon lollipop.
Oh,
I never saw a Pokemon lollipop. I used to have this.
what is this?
A
A
pencil.
Tweety pencil?
We have it already.
But you're not supposed to say that. But you can always eat more.
I never saw a pellet in a sock.
What is it?
It's called a stocking.
I know that. Can I open it?
Yeah.
It's my present.
Oh, it's like Tweety paper. You gotta put it on your desk. You have a desk?
What is this?
Want me to pull it out?
It's heavy. Oh, I wish I opened this thing.
You gotta save the best for last.
I never saw a bit. I never saw a present that is bended like this.
Well,
This.
Oh, maybe Santa didn't have time to wrap it. What is that? Tweety earrings and a necklace? Now you have new earrings again.
let me see, Papa.
Oh, those are things for your hair?
Thank you, Santa. Wow. Now can I open this large one? Why?
You got those three.
Oh. And then I open the large one? I call it large. So I'm not calling it large. Maybe it's Pokemon. Or Tweet.
No, I think Santa brought Pokemon to my sister's house. I think when we go to my sister's
Hello? I don't know what's this gonna be because it's too skinny. And that. What is this? A book.
paper. It looks like paper, right? Yeah, look, Mandy. Look.
Oh.
That's a mark for your book.
Oh no. This is. Okay, can you help me open this large?
No way.
Move from the tree, Papa.
Move away from the tree.
I was right, it was
Move
the
it,
angel
move it
Barbie.
away from the tree.
Move from the tree.
Okay.
I was right, it was the angel Barbie.
Oh, you were right.
Yeah. How did he know I wanted the angel Barbie?
Because he hurt you.
We can hear you.
You gotta put the dress on you?
Yeah.
You don't think you little too big for that?
Do you want to open this for me?
No, you gotta open it. You won't.
No, I don't. I don't have to if I don't want to.
You don't have to if you don't want it, so leave it over there. Give it to somebody else.
Mommy, can you help me?
Uh-huh.
Once, when I come out, and you will see me so beautiful. I have those wings and stuff and this.
Hold up.
I love you, Angel Barbie.
Watch out. Watch out.
Right out, right? Huh? Right out, right?
Uh-huh. Hold up. Get this stuff off.
That was right.
Andy, okay, now look in the camera. Say thank you, Santa. You gotta, because,
Santa, I love you.
and tell them thanks for all the presents.
Thank you for the Angel Barbie, and I love you.
Did he got anything you want?
Yeah,
Almost
you give me everything that I want.
everything? Or you wanted more than that? Do you expect more than that, Papa?
I want someone to open this, and this is
Look at me.
what?
Okay, say just say goodbye to Santa Claus.
Goodbye, Santa. I love you.
Say thank you for all the presents.
Thank you for all the presents, and thank you for this big Angel Barbie.
Tell her, have a nice trip when you go to North Pole.
Merry Christmas.
Say, have a nice trip when you go back to North Pole. What does he leave?
In North Pole.
So, say, have a nice trip. Come on.
What?
Say, I love you.